So the Vivo X Fold 5 is right around the corner. Now, if you don't know who Vivo is a sister company to Oppo. They're under the umbrella of BK Entertainment, which, again, pretty much has all the companies together. Nonetheless, though, still awesome. This phone is potentially going to be right behind the Oppo Find and 5. Listen, it's not insanely crazy, but it does have one cool feature. It has Stage Manager, which if you have utilized any iPad in your life or recent iPads, you know what Stage Manager is. It pretty much lets you be able to run multiple applications at once. They have a little docking area where you can just go from one application to another within seconds. Kind of like the idea of the multitasking window, except all the applications are on and ready to go within seconds. So it's not like you have to reload them or anything like that. It's just like on the side pretty much. Which, again, dope. Think of like Google Chrome. You know, you have like tabs. Same concept. But this is the Vivo X Fold. It comes out in a couple of days. To be honest, you know, this is another foldable cell phone where you look at it and you're like, oh, cool concept. Never gonna get it because I don't live in China. But hey, all these phones do is promote other companies to start stepping up and making better products. Because if these phones start selling well, then Samsung has to step up. Then Google has to step up. Then all these companies have to step up. Because obviously they're pushing the technology forward. Now, Vivo hasn't been as crazy as Oppo when it comes to pushing the industry forward. But they still like to go ahead and just throw in some random things here and there that kind of just throws a monkey wrench into everyone's plans of not making upgrades. Of course, as always, they do have Zeiss lenses on the back, which, if you don't know what Zeiss is a very, very expensive manufacturer of glass. They make the camera lenses. They make the $2,000 camera lenses. They make the $1,500-$1,600. If you see Zeiss on a camera lens, usually it's on the side of the body. That's how you know it's going to be an expensive lens. Nonetheless, though, we do have I want to say a double camera setup, a two camera, because this looks like a sensor, like a LiDAR sensor or something, or like AR. This obviously is a flash. It looks like a two camera setup. I'm going to guess that this is a camera as well. It doesn't look like a camera. Now, of course, this isn't as crazy like, for example, the Z Fold 7 that's coming out next month when it comes to how thin that phone is. But, again, listen, the more companies that are out there creating really good product, creating really good foldable phones, the better for everyone. Because it just pushes the industry forward. So, it's always great to see this. Love Vivo, love Oppo. If it wasn't for Oppo, we wouldn't be in the place we're at when it comes to foldable cell phones. If it wasn't for Vivo, same concept. So, it all works out together. Everyone has the same goal, which is pushing this industry forward. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next one.